everyone. Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all well. So, let's start today's lecture. Today we are going to start lecture number 3 of chapter 5th. So, come to the page number 31, that is chapter 5th, Movement Towards Independence. So, before the start today's new topic, we discuss some topics which we have learned in lecture number 1 and lecture number 2. So, come fast. I, good. So, in lecture number 1, we have learned about the Simon Commission, Nehru Committee, and also demand for complete independence 1929. So, in Simon Commission, we have learned about the Manford Amendments. Then also the commission, Simon Commission have 7 members and Sir John Simon and all of them members, not a single Indian member. That's why the India recommended the at least inclusion this commission made including the Indian members because as to understand the problems and pains of Indian. But the Britishers rejected that recommendation and then Indian uh, start the strike and procession and opposition of Simon Commission. Then British government suppressed some movements and also start lathi charge and all that. And then Lala Lajpat Rai was injured due to lathi charge procession and then he passed away after a few months. Then Nehru Committee. So, with the opposition of Simon Commission, uh, draft of constitution in Simon Commission presented Hindi Wazir Birkenhead and stated in that draft the Indian leaders of all the parties formulate the appropriate constitution in which the British government will further think upon. And that draft or report state that the dominion status, independent judiciary, fundamental rights, and adult suffrage. But eventually, ultimately, British government also rejected also this recommendation. First, they rejected our Simon Commission and then rejected this recommendation. Then, demand for complete independence 1929. So, during the assembly, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, we have active national leaders, and they all try to spread a complete independence over all the nation. But the youth of India are not happy with the dominant status. And then at 26 January 1930, all the members took oath to complete independence and celebrated Independence Day. That's why the 26th January become a memorable day for all of us. And Independent India has made the Republic Day memorable by implementing the Constitution of India on this day. Then Dandi Yatra. See, we have just revised the topic which we have learned in lecture number 1 and 2. And then we'll start a new topic. So, in last lecture, we have learned about the Dandi Yatra. We all know about this march. Dandi March was started on 26 March and completed on April 6, 1930. And the two very important slogans are there in this topic. First one is the brave never run away from the struggle, and the ones who run by seeing the struggle is not brave. And the second one is also then Gandhiji told that I shall die the death of crow and dog, but I will not return to this ashram without attaining Purna Swaraj. These two slogans very important. So whenever these questions come will in exam, so you have to write this slogan. And also important line is 370 kilometers, which including Nadia, Jambusar, Bharuch, Surat, Navsari, etc. small and large cities. And 24 days of march on 5th April 1930 reached Dandi, and then early morning of 6th April at 6:30 a.m. Gandhiji broke the salt law by picking up the handful of salt from the sea coast and stated that I have broken the salt law. This sentence you have to write in double inverted comma and try to highlight this sentence. Then also you should write Sri Mahadev Bhai Desai uh, has compared this event as a Mahabhinishkraman. And then from the last two paragraphs, you write 4 to 5 points, whichever easy for you. And then next, round table conference and moratorium satyagrah. So at that time, Gandhiji was called upon by the Britishers for the round table conference related to constitutional structure and reforms. Because if any amendments want to in constitution, for that Gandhiji's consent were very important. So first round table conference was held, but the absence of Congress leaders it was fertile, and then the reconcile with Congress, and the second round table conference was held, and this conference Gandhiji was only the representative from the Congress, and the Britishers had the discriminating the points for the various religious committees. But the Gandhiji was deeply disappointed because at the time of Simon Commission, Britishers also rejected our recommendation. Then at the time of Nehru Committee, they also rejected. And then at the time of Round Table Conference also, Britishers not accepted our recommendation. That's why the Gandhiji was deeply disappointed, and therefore the conference was dissolved. And the now we complete the revision of lecture number 1 and lecture number 2. I covered only the important points which was important for the exam purpose. Now we'll moving on to next topic, Quit India movement. Today's new topic start. So, what is a Quit India movement? At the time of independence, many movements happened. So, when Quit India movement are one of the movement of all of them. So, keeping in mind the World War situation, the Congress Working Committee decided to end the individual satyagrah January 1942. In 1942, at the month of January, the, keeping in mind the World War situation, the Congress Working Committee decided the end to the individual satyagrah. But the British government attempted to deceive the people of India by Cripps mission. So Indians were angry and dejected. Therefore, the people of India no longer had faith in British rule. And then our Indian decided at any cost to quit India by Britishers. They assumed that the British do not wish to quit India. But the Gandhiji advised the people to come out of despair and be prepared to give a new and last fight. And prepared to give a new and last fight. That means कि जब इंडियंस वर एंग्री ड्यू टू ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट अटेम्प्टेड एंड देन फिर कोई भी फेथ नहीं रहा कि भाई ब्रिटिश रूलर से वो प्रॉपर करेंगे एंड देन वी अज्यूम दैट द ब्रिटिश डू नॉट विश टू क्विट इंडिया दैट मीन्स कि ब्रिटिशर्स है वो इंडिया छोड़ने वाले नहीं थे देन गांधी जी एडवाइज टू पीपल कि कम आउट फ्रॉम द डिस्पेयर डिस्पेयर मीन्स द lost hope and be prepared to give a new and last fight. Was a one kind of a motivation and inspirational for the public कि जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स जो भी होप थी वो चली गई उसमें से बाहर आ एंड न्यू फाइट के लिए प्रिपेयर हो ऑन द August 9, 1942 resolution of Quit India movement was passed in the working committee of Congress held at Mumbai. On 9th August 1942, Quit India Movement resolution passed at the Committee of Congress, which was held at Mumbai. And on the second day of that resolution, Gandhiji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Azad, and other eminent Congress leaders were arrested. So, the first on 9th August, resolution was passed away, and then the next day of that resolution, our Congress leaders arrested by British government, like Gandhi जी थे, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, then जवाहरलाल नेहरू, मौलाना आज़ाद, ये सबको अरेस्ट किया गया. The newspaper were banned. Regional and district level Congress leaders were arrested simultaneously. एक साथ सबको अरेस्ट किया गया. Arrest of Gandhiji and other leaders resulted in nationwide strike. To this, Gandhiji said, "This is the last fight in my life, and therefore the people of India should make all attempt to achieve independence." सब लीडर्स और गांधी जी को अरेस्ट किया गया और उनका रिजल्ट ये मिला कि पूरे नेशन में नेशन वाइड स्ट्राइक की गई. एंड गांधी जी ने बोला कि ये मेरे लाइफ की लास्ट फाइट है. दिस वॉज द लास्ट लाइफ फाइट इन माई लाइफ, एंड दैट्स वाई द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया should make all attempt to achieve independence, and he gave the slogan do or die, karo ya moro. He gave the slogan do or die. this this slogan is very important for MCQ purpose or one line, and an exam a question asked like who gave this slogan, or Gandhi, which slogan gave by the Gandhi given by Gandhiji. So you should write the do or die. So here we done the Quit India movement first topic, and then we'll start the strike during the Quit India movement. But before that, you just revise these two paragraphs, and then we'll start the next topic. So you have at least 20 to 30 seconds for revise this. So please just revise speedily, and then we'll start the strike during the Quit India movement. Okay, now we start the strike during the Quit India movement. So the rural and urban region of country, including workers, farmer, youth, students, teachers, businessmen and women, were in the forefront of this movement. Forefront means आगे बढ़. Workers went on strike in factories, iron factories in Jamshedpur and cotton mills at Mumbai and Madras too were on strike. These factories is very big factories at that time in our country. They also on strike. 1 lakh meal workers of 75 cotton mill industries in Ahmedabad went on peaceful strike for 105 days. Colleges and schools observed the strike for nearly 3.5 months. Market in Ahmedabad were closed. So at the time of Quit India movement, this type of strikes happen. Like farmers, students, teachers, all are included in that strike. And I told you as Jamshedpur mein iron factory, then cotton mills at Mumbai, and also in Madras, they all were on strike. And from the cotton, 75 cotton mill industries, 1 lakh worker on went on strike for 105 days. Then college and school also observed the strike for 3.5 months. And also the markets in Ahmedabad were closed. Then harmful activities during the Quit India movement, physically as well as mentally and constructively, harmful activities happened at the time of Quit India movement. So anger against the British government was being expressed from every nook. Nook means corner of the country. Suppression against the peaceful people by the Britishers lead to a violent situation as people not only ransack the post office, ransacked means break karna, telegram departments, police station, railway station, government buildings, school and college buildings, railway line, bridges and road, but loot the asset and set on the fire the government properties. These all the properties are break by the public. In this, railway incurred the heaviest loss, and in many of area people used bombs also for the break the government's building. So you should underline the words like ransack the post office, telegram departments, police station, railway station. See, here given the many words, but you should write only 3 to 4 words, and then you should write etc. And railway incurred a heaviest loss from all of this, and many areas people used bomb for that. Then the failure of government in crushing the struggle. The government tried to suppress the movement with hard hand. The struggle started from a small and to a large extent by break of government system. More than 70,000 people were imprisoned. 538 gunshots were fired. 1028 people lost their life. Means 1,800 people dead. 3,200 people were injured. See, underline this numerical information because in a social subject, numerical information is very important. So 70,000 people, more than 70,000 people were imprisoned. Then 538 gunshots were fired. 1,028 lost their life and 3,200 people were injured. Students were injured in gunshots, especially in Ahmedabad and Patna. And a unique political consciousness was created among the people. First one is the Dandi Yatra, the second the second one is the Quit India movement. This both the event, this both the events uh, try to affect the consciousness and created the consciousness among the people at the nationwide, and this movement gave a clear warning to British government and message to the world at large that India cannot be enslaved anymore. That means अब इंडिया किसी की भी अंडर में रहने वाला नहीं है. ये ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को भी वार्निंग थी और पूरे वर्ल्ड को भी मैसेज दिया गया था कि अभी from now, India cannot be enslaved anymore. The struggle really signaled by the people of India to Britishers to quit India, and the people of India now wanted full independence. Means इंडिया के लोग अभी completely independence चाहते थे, and that's why वो ब्रिटिशर्स को वार्न कर रहे थे कि प्लीज टू क्विट इंडिया, अदरवाइज अभी अदरवाइज इंडिया के पीपल अभी बैठने वाले नहीं थे. The amendments for the Dominion status was almost invisible by this struggle. And after a struggle of 5 years, India achieved independence finally. After the complete this movement, ultimately India achieved the now we complete the failure of government in crushing the struggle this topic. So now we learned total 3 topics. First one is the Quit India movement, next one is a strike during the Quit India movement, and then harmful activities during the Quit India movement, and also the failure of government in crushing the struggle. See, I explained you, and now it's your time to read this. I try my best for explaining, but still you have any doubt, then you can ask me. I told you many a times you can ask me, but still you don't have any doubt because you don't ask me a question through comment. So I hope you all clear about the topics and all the lectures. So now you have 10 to 20 seconds for each paragraph. So your time start now. Start the reading from the strike during the Quit India movement. So in 10 to 15 seconds, complete this paragraph and underline the 1 lakh meal workers for a strike for 105 days and also 3.5 months market closed. All these underline please. And also underline the workers, farmers, youth, students, teachers, etc. Okay, done? Good. So now 10 to 15 seconds for harmful activities during Quit India movement. In this topic, you should write a railway station, police station, telegram department, post office, etc. ransacked and also loots the asset and set on fire on the government properties. And railway incurred the heaviest loss. This sentence don't forget to write in examination. Complete. So now, complete. Good. Now, you have 20 seconds for read this topic failure of government in crushing the struggle. And in this topic, you should underline the 70,000 people, 538, 1028, 3200. This all numerical information is very important for you. So please don't forget the underline. So in 10 to 15 seconds, you just read it and do underline. Okay, done? Good. So, here we done today's lecture. I hope you all understood. See, I I don't want to explain the more topic because in this chapter, many topics in this. So, that's why in every lecture we covered at least 2 to 3 lectures if, sorry, 2 to 3 topics if the topics are small. And if the topic is very big like a Dandi Yatra, then we'll do only a one topic in one lecture. So in today's lecture, we learned about the Quit India movement, strike during Quit India movement, harmful activities during Quit India movement, and failure of government in crushing the India. And from the next lecture, we start the new topic that is the Azad Hind Fauj and Subhash Chandra Bose. So note down the today's homework. In today's homework, write a short note on Quit India movement and also write a short note on harmful activities and failure of government at the time of Quit India movement. So in your today's homework, you should write a 2 short note on Quit India movement. Each short note have at least 6 to 8 points. Okay, done? Good. So total we completed the topic that is the Simon Commission, Nehru Committee, demand for complete independency, Dandi Yatra, then Gandhi Irwin Pact that is Round Table Conference, then Quit India Movement, strike during Quit India Movement, harmful activities during Quit India Movement, and also the failure of government in crushing the struggle. And from the next lecture, we start Azad Hind Fauj and Subhash Chandra Bose. I think in next lecture there is, we'll do a 2 topic. First one Azad Hind Fauj and Subhash Chandra Bose, and the second one is the Azad Hind Fauj and Indian Independence League. I think we'll do this 2 topic in next lecture. If possible, then we'll do a more, but at least 2 topic doing next. So now we done today's lecture. I hope you all understood perfectly these topics. in today's lecture. Still, if you have any doubt, then you can ask me at my YouTube channel through the comment. So, uh, complete your homework and regular and submit the homework to your class teacher. Okay. So, finally we done. Goodbye everyone.